Hello, I'm Sandrina, and I wanted to show you my layer management and my masks, because some of you wanted to know how to achieve this. So I use the underfill technique, where you have basically a base color layer and an underfill layer that's all black. And because the underfill layer is bigger than the normal base layer, the lines will shine through, or at least it looks like there are lines. Oh, yeah, you know what I mean, yes? Okay, and I use the same thing with the masks. So I always have a small and a big layer. So I have a smaller heart shape and a bigger heart shape. But they are not normal layers, I will use them as masks. So let's get over to Live 2D and I will show you how I set them up. Okay, now we're in Live 2D, and this is how it looks like when you import it. Let me quickly give all my layers a quick mesh so that you can see where I click. Okay, so now we can apply the masks. So for the bell color, so the rendering, the yellow, I will use the big shapes. So let's do that. The big heart and the big rectangle. And it's important we set them to invert, because we don't want them to only show inside the shape, we want them to be excluded. So the shape has to be excluded from everything. For the bale base or the underfill layer, I will use the smaller one. So as we said, that the lines will shine through. So the heart small and the rectangle small. And I will invert it here too. So we also have to set the opacity to 0 so that the masks don't appear. And in Procreate, I normally use the rectangle render, so the thing that you see here on the clipping masks, but we can do this here because the masks don't nest. So when I apply to the heart render, for example, the bell color, it doesn't change, so the masks don't apply here. So we have to use a little workaround for this. So I will give the heart render the same masks that I gave the base color, basically. So the big heart shape and the big rectangle shape. And I also inverted. Now it looks better. And we do the same for the rectangle render. So again, the big shapes, and I inverted. Oh! So there's this thing. We have to use a little workaround for this too, and I hope it's usable for riggers, but yes, I thought about it and I came to the conclusion we can do this. So I can't clip the rectangle render to the bell color so that this will disappear, but we can use this mask to invert it also and it will disappear. So let me show you. So I will use the rectangle render and add the invert mask fix, and I will set the invert mask fix to 0 opacity, and now it's gone. I will also do the same with the heart render. And now when we grab all our masks and renders, I don't name it anything, I just want to show you, and move it around. Yay, it works! So this is how I set them up. I hope this explanation helps a little. I'm sorry for my bad English, and I'm not a big content creator, I'm just a small artist, and I just wanted to show you how I did this. See you soon!